Hi everyone. Today we're gonna make fudge with two ingredients. One, some chocolate chip, a bag of chocolate chips, and some sweetened condensed milk. We put the chocolate chip, open up the chocolate chips, put it in here, in a big bowl. And we fill this up halfway with water, about halfway. We get this, and then we get the chocolate chips. Put it on this. Let's let the water heat up first. Awful. Leave enough to lick, because gotta lick. Now all you do is you gotta let it harden in the fridge. So it'll harden overnight, and then the next day, you fudge. Today's a new day and the fudge is ready. Here is the delicious fudge you guys just made. Here we are. Now what you do is you get a butter knife or any kind of knife. Slide around here. Just chop it, so just so you can pull it out, you know. And you pull. You got the fudge. So now we're gonna cut the fudge in portionable sized pieces. Put it on the plate. We have the fudge. This is amazing. And that's how you make fudge with two ingredients. Now, like, subscribers, please subscribe.